Hi, I'm Stephanie and I'm here from the NORC committee today. I am here with Joel from EverStaff. Hi, Joel.
Good morning. How are you doing this morning?
Good, good. Joel, do you want to tell me a little bit about EverStaff?
Sure. EverStaff is a full-service recruiting and staffing firm. We do temporary to hire, direct placements. We encompass manufacturing, office, professional, and we actually do retail staffing and call centers as well.
Very good. And you guys have been at NORC for a few years now. I remember seeing you last year. What is your guys' favorite thing about NORC? What do you do here? What do you like about it?
At NORC, we love seeing all of our human resource contacts or customers that we've done business with, and we love networking, meeting with new people, and showing them what EverStaff has to offer for their company.
Great, and I heard that you guys are giving away a pretty awesome prize. You want to tell me what you guys are giving away today for all the attendees here?
Yes, it's an awesome prize. Basically with EverStaff, with our theme is navigating the future. So all roads lead to EverStaff, and what we're going to do is we're actually giving away 2 rentals, a week rental and a month rental of a Volkswagen convertible. And don't worry, you'll get that in the summertime, knowing these Cleveland winters. So you'll be able to cruise in the summertime, navigate your future, and remember, all roads lead to EverStaff.
Awesome. Well, I think we're going to go take a look outside so we can see the convertibles.
That sounds great.
All right, and now we're outside here with EverStaff. This is the prize that he was talking about. So you get a 1 month or a 1 week rental with this fabulous convertible in the summertime. What a creative prize, following the theme of navigate the future. So thanks again.
Oh, you're so welcome. And just imagine yourself June, July, cruising around in a convertible. You can't go wrong. Come visit EverStaff at booth 316.
Absolutely. And then just a reminder that this message was brought to you by Time Warner Cable. Every year at NORC, we do a fundraising event for a nonprofit in the area. This year, we've chosen Hospice of the Western Reserve. I'm here with Tom from Hospice of the Western Reserve today. Do you want to tell me a little bit about Hospice and what you guys do?
Well, Hospice of the Western Reserve, we've actually been around the area for over 35 years. We are now one of the largest hospices in the country.
Wow.
We are the largest in the state of Ohio, and we deal with hospice and palliative care, caring for people at end of life.
Great. So quite the worthy cause, as you can see. As I mentioned, we are doing a charity raffle that's benefiting the Hospice of the Western Reserve. They're giving away a nice basket here. Can you tell me a little bit about what is in your basket?
Yeah, we have a basket here. It's worth about $400.
Wow.
Wine, champagne, cheese, some nice Waterford glasses. So this would make for a wonderful evening with a loved one.
Great, or not a loved one,
or not
alone. So yes, please feel free to take part in the raffle. We're selling tickets for $1 each, or 6 for $5, I believe. So this message was brought to you by Time Warner Cable. Hi, I'm Stephanie from the NORC committee, and I'm here today with Alliance Solutions Group, specifically here with Robin. Robin, how are you doing today?
We're fantastic.
Awesome. So do you want to tell me a little bit about Alliance and what you guys do?
Alliance Solutions Group is a full-service staffing and recruitment firm with 9 companies underneath our umbrella, so we can help you with anything you need as far as finding top talent in the market.
Awesome, and it looks like you guys have gone all out with your theme here, which is navigating the future. Do you want to tell me a little bit about the wheel you have here behind you?
Yes, so we are a all-inclusive group, and we want everyone to be a winner that stops by our booth and reward them for that. So anytime you spin our awesome wheel, you will win one of our prizes that matches our cruise line theme today.
Awesome. Well, I hope I win something so I can spend it at the after party this evening. And thanks for interviewing with me, and I hope you guys have a great day at NORC 2014.
Thanks.
This live broadcast was brought to you by Time Warner Cable.